Hey, Brian and Aiden from Gradual Hall. Say hi.
Hi.
And this is the hahaland Music Learning Tablet. Pretty neat. Let's open up and see what we get. Oh, pretty cool. Let's open this up. So that is your operating instructions. And it does take some batteries, 3 AAAs not included. So let's open that up. It's got a cool little kickstand. Then the batteries go in the back here.
Okay.
Yeah, let's get these batteries in. You can start playing.
Okay. Okay.
1, 2,
Whoa.
3 batteries. Oh, I heard it. It came on. Let's put this back in. No, it's kind of like a kickstand, so it goes up for you. So like, you can play like this. So pretty cool. How about you wait for that? Go ahead.
Train.
Oh,
Ship.
oh, it makes the noises.
Airplane.
Oh, you got mail.
Smile.
Oh,
Cheese.
how about do the cat?
Cat.
Oh, how about the doggy? How about the dog?
Dog. Ship. Guitar.
Pretty cool. Anyway, I'm gonna show everybody. Anyway, Brian and Aiden from Gradual Hall, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.
Cow. Oh. Cow. Car.
It's got a car.